I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Infinity Matter app or website. Do it now so you stay focused. Make sure you have your username and password at hand and your two-factor device nearby, because Infinity often requires 2FA to protect your account. Use a private, secure network to prevent interception. Once done, navigate to the login screen and choose whether you'll sign in directly or use single sign-on. This first step prevents interruptions later and sets you up for a smooth sign-in. You now enter your credentials, type deliberately to avoid lockouts, and use autofill only on trusted devices because saved passwords can expose you. If Infinity Matter shows a CAPTCHA or an SSO option, follow those prompts. SSO will redirect you and then return to the app. Next, respond to the two-factor challenge. Approve the push or paste the one-time code quickly, since codes expire. Once verified, the system confirms your identity and grants session tokens. You're in the final stage. After authentication, check that your dashboard, projects, or expected workspace appear. This confirms proper access and role permissions. If prompted, choose to remember the device only on personal hardware, because that reduces friction but maintains security. If something goes wrong, clear the app cache or browser cookies and try again, and then reset your password if needed. If the problem persists, contact Infinity Matter support with screenshots. This troubleshooting step speeds resolution and prevents repeated failed attempts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.